So chat, we're right here at Safeway. We're gonna test our luck. Hopefully they got a machine here and hopefully it's stocked up. But either way, I'm about to take the stairs. I need some cardio for the day. Wish me luck, folks. Let's see, hopefully. Oh, we got something. We got something, chat. We got something, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. That's it. That's it, chat. That's it, chat. Skip. Now it's time to pay, guys. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Damn, this is the first time that I've ever got anything in a Pokemon Center vending machine. And my girl said that if you get something, I'll give you $100, because she was doubtful that I was gonna be able to get something. But look at that. You never know unless you go out there and look for it. So, you know what I'm saying? Whether if it's a city away, 2 cities away, I suggest you go out there and you try. You know? Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's go, chat.